Okay, so tell me about this garden knife, Dave. As I'm going out in the garden, let's show off your new toys. Say hello to the people.
Tell me about your garden knife.
Yeah, let me see it. It's a garden knife. So it's a knife. How sharp is it as a knife? So it's a knife, and it's got a saw blade.
You feel the sharpness.
I can see. Yeah, I could feel it. Did you think I was going to drop it on you? And then check that out. It measures. That's cool.
It goes in. No.
And then you got this little doohickey, too.
Yeah,
That's a weed puller.
I wanted to see if that was...
For his landscaping.
For my landscape. Yeah, you notice it's my landscape.
Well, it's my gardening.
When you do it.
What do you mean when I do it? I do all the gardening.
Did you get your plants from the front?
No, I'm going to get them right now.
No, you're not. You're filming.
Now you're just being difficult.
Okay.
Well, stop it.
Filming. You know.
I only have an hour before I need to go and pick up a friend and go see Mima in the hospital. So let's do a quick tour of the garden. Gail, check out my unusual container. Now I put it here, and the last time I did that, it started growing itself right into the ground. This is it's okay if it does. Sometimes these marigolds, they're pretty hardy. And they're the first thing to tell me that my garden is dry. All of my corn has come up, so that's pretty exciting. I don't think I have one place where I have two of them I have to take out. Look at the time again already, how huge it is. And I was out here just a minute ago, and there are a ton of bees. My sage is still flowering, and I'm still letting it. Blueberries, hoping to see nothing. So you can see I trimmed all of that back, all of that oregano back. My lamb's ear, I thought maybe something was sleeping back here, but my friend Sherry says that it's just from the weight of the flowers and then all the rain. She said I should tie them up next year. So I think I will. Look how pretty the flowers are, though. Rosemary. Look how small that little bush is now. Say you can take up to 2/3 of it away, and we want to keep it small. So, like, that's about as big as we want these bushes to get. And that'll be the same with the apple tree. Anyway, that's my start to my food forest. I am going to get some kind of another fruit tree here. I mean, what can you have when your backyard is all right there, right? But it's big enough and more than big enough for us to try to take care of. Echinacea's looking good. Got a couple peppers back there. Grapes. Still haven't come out and sprayed for these little bugs, so they're still everywhere. Somebody suggested BT, which I do have. Does diatomaceous earth do the same thing? I don't know. Anyway, my catnip never came up. My potatoes still being eaten by something because I haven't done anything about it. Well, looking a little dry, maybe that might be good because this barrel doesn't drain really well. We have peas back there ready to be picked at all. Oh, don't see any melons yet. Onions are okay. Cucumbers. Maybe getting a little more shade than I'd like, but they'll be in the sun soon. Cannabis is looking good. I guess I need to come out again and trim these big leaves. Somebody said I should trim off all the leaves that are as big as my hand. I have really small hands, but some of these are definitely ready to go. Same with on this one. Like, look how huge this leaf is. And that's so that the leaves below can get better sun and you can get better airflow. Asparagus. This is my celery this year. I don't know, it doesn't look super good. At least that one doesn't. I wonder what... I'm not editing this either, because I just, yeah. Oh, it's just the leaves are a little bit darker green. I thought it was like brown stuff on it. Anyway, that's kind of interesting the way it's growing. Looks like it's gonna maybe just flower. And then I should try starting over instead of letting it grow. This is the third year. Asparagus, ferns. Anybody want ferns? You're just supposed to leave these, let them dry up. That's what we're doing. Peppers are looking beautiful. We had a lot of rain the last 2 days, and of course I don't even have my rain gauge out yet. I need to come out here and trim this little guy back a little bit. He's starting to take over here. Peppers, look. Look, honey. And look.
Yep.
And there's more over here.
Alrighty.
Everywhere. I wonder how the strawberries are doing. I haven't seen any more birds in here. I was getting birds in here, and they were eating all the strawberries. Well, it looks like I've actually got some now. I put this little snake. I told Mom that I put it here. So I put the snake in there. She was quite happy about that, honey.
Why is that?
Because she'd rather have the strawberries than the snake. Looking good here, getting some flowers on my tomatoes. And we're back here to chamomile land. And I'm gonna get to work. That is my beautiful, beautiful garden. My gorgeous husband over there.
What?
See ya.